I hate noise, but I love when clouds thunder. It mutes world for a while. It plays in mind the music of rain. It says to get ready with a cup of tea by window. It invites nature babes for a watery bowl. I hate when plates make noise, but I love rain drumming on tin roof. I love rain buffeting against window panes. I love rain plopping on my umbrella. I hate when too many people talk at a time, but I love countless raindrops talking with canopies of jungle. I love rain gossiping with million drops of river. There is music in the way rain falls, talks, and disappears.